Recording the sewer line here at 1829 4th Street, Kirkland, Washington. Date is March 17th, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out on the side of the home here. We're looking at the Kirkland main. We're going to come back from the main and get a look at this sewer line. We're coming back into 4-inch diameter concrete pipe, quickly into 4-inch diameter PVC pipe. I've got the kitchen sink running right now inside the home to show that the line is open and flowing. We are back into concrete pipe there. And then back into what looks like some lining material, possibly. Or some more PVC. Oh, that's PVC. So another small section of PVC. Looks like little bits of this line have been replaced as the years have gone on. Back in PVC again. Come up. And we go back into concrete there. So, again, little pieces of this line have been replaced as it's probably deteriorated over the years. Come back into PVC stretch again here. And you can see on the right side of the pipe here, that is where the laundry or the kitchen sink line ties into the line through that PVC section there. Back into concrete now. Got some roots and debris back here closer to the clean out. Probably use a cleaning. And then we get back into PVC as part of the clean out. And then we're coming back up out of the line. So everything's wide open. There's a little bit of roots and stuff that could be cleaned, but for the most part we're looking all right.